Okay, let's move on, guys. Can you guys hear me? Okay, okay. All right. So back to where we are. I think there's a problem here. We added some padding. As we added the padding, I think we have some issues here. So let's quickly go and remove that padding back. So the padding we added here becomes a problem. You can see our this div has been affected. So let's quickly go back there. So this thing is affecting me badly. Okay, let's continue. So I'm looking for where I added that padding. Ah, uh, Help me reload. The browser has been busy because of most of downloads. Okay, we also need to go live. We haven't go live yet, so let's quickly go live. I want to wrap up this thing. Man, my system is really hungry. It's still starting. When it finish starting. Starting is taking the whole ages. Let them clean that place. Let's just be patient, please. Yeah, I'm recording. Recording, man. All right. So, so what we are going to do? Come down here. So here is P1, right? So I'll just say title. Then let me add this padding individually. Beside the title, I have this and this. I want them to have the same pattern. But let's see. Let's inspect this. Oh, why this thing? Why this system doing all this things tonight? Hmm? Damn. Just hold on. My since I saved this video, my system is misbehaving. You know, I don't like saving videos after this thing because the video will keep running on the background until it crash my app, and then the thing will rest. Better, better. I think you should avoid it. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to see how we can work on these two elements. So quickly, this and this. So the first thing is to add padding, right? To add padding and to also add padding here. So let's quickly do that. When it comes to this, we have a title, right? So this title, I want to add padding here and also add padding here. So I have the let's go up, then put the class here, dot this, remove this at the back. It's not supposed to be there. Then here I'm going to have H1. Let me confirm if what I'm calling is H1. Okay, H2, not H1. Okay, H2. So padding like 50 pixel. So let's check the H2 50 pixel padding. So this is where the 50 pixel padding is. Then let's create the font, and then the font color. The font size like 35 pixel, be too much. So let's work with 20 pixel, too small also. 25 is okay. Go with 25. 25. Yeah, perfect. That's perfect. Then what we need to do next is color, then white, right? So let's work on this one too, then work on this other one too. So let's quickly do that. I will just copy this and then change that to P. Change this to P. When the padding is much, I can just use like 30. I don't really need add padding because this other one already have padding for me. I don't need to add padding left and right, not really top. The padding up to 0, left and right is 20. We already have margin top. Let me add like 25. Mhm. Okay. The font size, I'm reducing it to like 20. Then this one is yellow. Yellow. Okay. Now reduce this top and this to bottom and top for this H1. So you need to have 50 pixel, the left and right, the top 40, Okay, 40 is fine. Then me will just work on this one here, right? Then work on this one here. So what I need to do is to come to this, scroll down a little bit. Um, so you need to just add this class, right? Port class, BTM port, right? Add the class there. Then you scroll up also. Then add the same class on this particular man. Make sure you add the class there. Then you also add the class here. So let's continue in designing this button. So here is the button. Um, Before I do that button, I like to call on this portfolio button first because I notice I need to add a space, right? Space here into it. So I call the margin portfolio button. So yeah, sorry, but then a margin like 40 pixel, 40 pixel. Okay. Um, Let me quickly. Okay. So that is all. The another thing I want to work on is this is the background. So we need to call this class I just created. Call the class because the class represents this object here. Call the class, then this, then background. Of course, I will use blue background. Then the text, color in white. So don't really see that. So now, who can tell us how you can increase this weight here, the background? Anybody? How can increase the background? Hello? Yeah? Okay. Padding. Then padding top 30, padding left and right 40. Okay. The padding top is too big. Don't give that 20. Okay. So you can give it any style you want. So let me just bring those arrow and add here. Quickly go to front also. Oh my god. I'm exhausted. Hmm. Damn. This is exactly 3 hours class. So the class is becoming more interesting. We need this 3 hour class because we need to finish up this, or else this will take us a month to finish. So uh, I need to just search for arrow. So this is the arrow I'm going for to copy the arrow. Then this one we want to add the arrow here and here. So quickly go here. There is the arrow. You can have your spam. Then put the arrow there. There is another portfolio. Have your spam. Smatozoa. Bad boy. Okay. So I'm going to change this color to black. So we change this color to leave it the way it is. If you notice that this thing is doing like the way because we've already done the class, right? We've done the class and the class we have before is spam. That's what this thing is doing. right? You remember when we did that? So when you come here, let me search for spam for you. You will see. Have you seen it? This is the spam we did. The spam we used earlier. That's the spam we used earlier. So we already fixed that already. So basically, um, I think that will be all. That will be all for this project. So what we are looking at now is to create, login and register. So that's only what we need to do. Login and what and register, which we are going to do later. But um, you need to, okay. Let's say that login. Hopefully, we will do it on Wednesday, right? Then the footer is an assignment that all the code member needs to do, right? So you build a exact project with their image or content. Then the assignment is for you to add this filter, this one and the filter. Look at it's two assignments. So cause presido presido okay, please take note of this. This and this what they will add on this application. The submission is on Sunday. We don't have time. Then on that sun through that Sunday, after our space on Saturday, then on Sunday, the sorry, okay, the footer and call to action button. This one here, this one, so and the filter. So they will integrate it on the already existing application like this. They integrate it here. So the next Wednesday we are going to work. We are going to work on this and this. So then we'll start a new class which is version control system, GitHub, how to deploy and every other thing. Then after we are done with GitHub repository and Linux system, operating system, command prompt and all those things, then we'll now move on to bootstraps. Then when we're done with the bootstraps, then we'll start building those projects we just listed at now. But however, as we are learning more, build more projects. So get ready for your independent project, no video, just the design, and you follow it up from there. So I would like to